Hello students, good afternoon. Today I would like to discuss with you how to write the formats. Now students, in the last video we have seen how micro projects can be prepared for any subject, and we also discussed about how the marking will be given and on which paper you have to write down this report. Now let's see students most important part, that is formats. So your micro project report starts with certificate page. Okay. So from this certificate page that you have to write down title of your project. So this is to certify that the micro project entitled. So the title of your project is expected to be written here. Write down your class, your batch and group number. That is A1, A2, A3 and rest of the numbering you can give. Write down roll numbers, enrollment numbers, exam seat number and name of the student here. After that, on the certificate page, you have to write down course. Course means your student subject. So write down your subject, that is English, and write down its score 22101 as a partial fulfillment of diploma program in. So you have to write down name of your program, that is mechanical engineering. After that, put your date, your project guide's name, your head of the department, and your principal's name for stamping. Now, the most important annexure I would like to discuss with you, that is annexure 1. So after certificate, your report must contain your proposal, micro project proposal. So it is called annexure 1 and it is expected it must be of 1 or 2 pages. So very carefully you have to look at here that your title of micro project must appear here. Okay. Also, after that, you have to write down year, academic year, semester, scheme 1, program means your branch, course and code. Course means your always subject, and write down your code. Just I told you 22101. Write down your class, that is FYME, your batch, A batch, and group A1. After that, you have to write down aim of the micro project. So it is expected write down aim of the micro project in about 4 to 5 sentences. Yes, what does it aim at? So you have to write down it here 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 sentences you have to write down. Okay, I'm going to show you sample report also for that. After that, students, you have to write down here course outcomes addressed. Course outcomes that already displayed you by your subject teacher. Whenever the complete list of project is given to you at another side in the next column, micro project course outcome is also given there. So titles are obviously belonging to each and every topic from theory. So it is going to address to that theory course outcome. So it is already mentioned into that list. So you have to just take that course outcomes and write over here. After that, very, very important, that is proposed methodology. Many of the students, they have confusion how to write down method. Yes, proposed. It means that before taking project at a hand, which method you are going to implement. Yes, so that method must be given here stepwise. Okay, so it must contain your procedure in brief that must be followed to do the micro project. So it must be given in 100 to 200 words, means it must be given into detail. I will show you again in sample. After that, you have to present your action plan, and it is expected that it must be of 8 weeks. Okay, so for that purpose, I have given here discussion of topics, finalizing date. So you have to always give here your plan start date and plan finish date. So students, we are doing here proposal. We are doing here planning. So your plan date you can write down any one, and plan finish date you can write down any one. And in front of each and every activity, it may be submitting project proposal, gathering information, discussing with guide regarding information collection. Whichever the activity will be there, in front of each and every activity, you have to write down your team member's name. Okay, that is expected. So in case of writing these dates you have already decided before taking project to make it complete. Okay, so proposal is prepared before actual starting of our work over any title, over any project. After that, For this project, which resources you require? So write down your major resources, such as any raw material, some machining facility, software if you require, any kind of website you require. So prepare complete list of that resources and write down over here. Okay. So it must be presented in tabular form. So name of resource material, specifications, quantity, and remark you have to write down. And at the end, you have to write down name of team members with roll numbers and signature. Okay. Now let's we go for annexure 2. In annexure 2, this it contains your report, and that's why it must be of 4 pages, students. Means double pages of proposal. Means if proposal is here 1 and 5 pages, 1 or 2 pages, then report must be here double. That must be of 4 pages. Okay. So it must be well explanatory in the comparison of proposal. So in case of micro project, the first point is your rationale. So in rationale, you have to write down importance of the project in about 30 to 50 words. Okay. Suppose you have selected your idioms, project on your idioms. So how it will be important? Yes, from student point of view, from learning point of view. So you have to present the importance of your project. After that, aim or benefits of the project. Okay. So you have to just copy aim that you have written it in the proposal and paste it over here. You can make addition also. Yes. After taking any title for making project over it, then how it was beneficial to you. You can make addition. Yes. Though aim given into the proposal contain only 5 points, and if you want to increase again 2 or 3 points in the report, then you are free. After that, you have to copy down course outcomes. Yes, earlier that you mentioned it into the proposal, you have to copy it and paste it as it is. After that, very important, many of the students are having problem what we have to write it in the literature review. See students, clear-cut indication is given here into the bracket. So you have to read that all instructions very carefully. See, a literature review is a comprehensive summary of previous research on a topic. So if related to idiom, if anyone has made any kind of research work, any kind of discovery over it, then you have to present in this particular project and you have to mention here. Okay. So the literature review surveys scholarly articles, books, and other sources relevant to a particular area of research it contains. So the review should enumerate, describe, summarize, objectively evaluate, and clarify this previous research. So what you want to do, what you want to give to the students through this project, you have to mention. And for that purpose, what you have referred here, whether you have referred article, online article, any book, any website, any resource, and what is the aim of that, whether it is going to describe, summarize, evaluate, clarify the any kind of the point. So you have to give reference of that literature review. Okay, in short, you have to prepare paragraph over it. Also, in literature review, you can paste the image of that book if it is. If it is any kind of website, you can take the screenshot and share here. You can paste it here. And in relation to that, you can, in connection to that, you can prepare single paragraph over it. After that, actual methodology followed. Again, you have to write down stepwise work done. Okay, just like we have done it in the proposal, proposed methodology. Yes, so that was method before starting project. Now, in this report, actual methodology means it is written after the project. Okay, so you have to use your past tense. For example, selection of topic, that is your first step. Okay, put the dash and go for explanation. Before taking, yes, so before finalizing this topic for micro project, we had gone through the list provided by the guide. Togetherly in the group, we finalized the topic. So this is explanation of your step 1, that is selection of topic. Number 2, allocation of responsibilities, dash. Yes, after discussion over the topic, then the responsibilities were allocated among each and every group member. Okay, so that the project can be done very smoothly and in the given time span. So in this way, you have to refer your steps and you have to explain what you did there actually. Okay, so you have to go for your explanations. After that, actual resources used. So which actual resources you used for the completion of this project. So you have to enter your minute details also. Okay, I'm going to show you that sample report very soon. You will get an idea about it. After that, outputs of the micro projects means it must contain your drawings of the prototype, drawings of survey, presentation of collected data, findings, etc. So in output, what you have to show here, what you have to enter, you have to just take simple photograph of your project and paste it here. If you have prepared your presentation, so you have to put all slides, okay, all slides here. If you have prepared booklet, then take one of the image photo, yes, of front, back, and index page and meanwhile pages, isn't it? So you have to present your output of your micro project. After that, in this skill developed, learning out of this micro project. So what you have to do, you have to mention which skill developed through this micro project. Okay. And after that, you have to write down few lines over applications of this micro project. So where it can be applied, applicable. So you have to write down over here. Now see students, I'm going to show you rubrics for that. So your project will be assessed by the guide. Yes, on the basis of such rubrics. These are some of the rubrics, criteria. Right? Okay, so on the basis of that, your project is generally tested. Okay, whether your project is related to the course outcome, how many course outcomes COs it is going to cover, on the basis of that marks is given. Literature survey, how many information you have collected. Literature survey means nothing but information collected. Okay, so about 10 relevant sources and most latest resources, if you have here used for that, then marks will be given accordingly. Completion of your target as per the project proposal. Yes, so actually 80% work must be done at the time of submission, but I expect 100%. Then analysis of data and representation, that is most important. How you have represented your data, how you have done the analysis, for that you will get the marks. Quality of your model, quality of your project, it also must very important. So students, what you have to observe, if you want 9 or 10 marks, excellent marks or excellent grade or good grade, then you have to follow the last column. Yes, and as per the last column, you have to bring that changes in your project, in your report also. Okay, so the last point, defense, as you know, for this micro project assessment, you have oral, so you have to give reply to the questions asked by the guide. After that, this is Annex 4, where micro project evaluation sheet will be there, where you have to write down semester. For example, this is first semester, scheme I, program once again, mechanical engineering, course and code, that is English 22101, class FYME, batch A, group A1 or A2. Okay. Title of micro project, course outcomes it is going to achieve. Everything must be well cleared. And after that, this is evaluation sheet given to the teacher. Teacher will put your marks. You have to just fill up your B, write down your roll number, name of the students, and marks will be given to you here. And comment given by the teacher will be done here. Okay, now let me show you sample report, students. Now you have to pay attention. This is a report of 2 to 3 pages. Okay, it can be 1 or 2 pages, that is quite sufficient. See, this is an example. Prepare a brochure on different events. That is the title of my project. So what is the aim? Yes, this is proposal. So before taking this topic, yes, before preparing brochure over any event, I'm deciding, yes, my way, my planning. That's why my aim may aim, my project may have its aim towards this, studying the different formats, learning vocabulary, learning advertising techniques, knowing market value, collecting information, acquiring the computer skill. So that is also my aim. Course outcome, that is already mentioned into the list. So same course outcomes you have to copy and write over here. Proposed methodology, here I will come. So where you have to use here what, that is simple future tense. See, will go. Study of micro project list, that is step 1. So first of all group members will go through the micro project list. The discussion will be done in the group. After that, topic will be finalized. The project guide will help to clear the doubts and problems in project making. Second step, which one? Collecting the different formats of brochure, menu card, prospects, trifold, etc. Then the work will be then distributed among the group members. Yes, then different formats will be collected from print media or online sources. Step 3, finalization of format in collaboration. All the group members will go through the samples collected and then finalize the format. Step number 4, finalize the topics. That is, whether you have to prepare brochure on education, traveling, restaurant, you have to finalize. So after finalization of format, the topic will be discussed. The topic will be finalized unanimously and as per the availability of material. Step 5, listing the stationery items required for the project along with the budget. Yes, everyone will give stationery list required for their brochure and keep ready budget for that. Discussion of budget in group and finalize the amount. The group members will discuss their views and budget will be finalized. So students, see, for every project, you must consider what is the source you require and what will be your budget, and your discussion must be done over here. So you must have proper planning regarding your project. After that, collection of photos and information. Yes, you have to again collect literature, all that information related to that. After that, printing and drawing. Printing or drawing will be done and shown to the project guide. So see students, this is just a proposal. Yes, you are not sure that whether you are going to draw, whether you are going to print all that brochure. Okay. So you are just thinking before taking any title for doing project over it. So it may change in the report also. And explanation, preparation. During oral or viva, the project will be explained. So these are planned date, students. It may change in the report also. Okay. So your very first date, in case of action plan, plan date and start date, it can be of having gap of 8 days. Okay. Normally we are showing it. Yes. And you have to take on any one date from the week. Yes. Suppose your academic year starts in the month of December. Okay. In the month of December, and it is going to end in the month of March, then you have to take one date from each and every week and write over here. Plan date, finish date, plan date, finish date. Okay, and name of responsible team members you have to write over here. Then resources required, see how I have written here. That is, in resources, you have to write down online learning tools, brochure. Okay, canva.com, free brochure marker maker. Then use of different ready-made brochures from different fields. So I am going to refer all these things. Computer with printer facility I require, camera for photos I require, different websites I require, and printing press I require. Not sure, that's why I have put here dots, that is dash. Name of team members you have to write down along with the roll numbers, and their signature is mandatory. After that, annexure 2. Students, this is micro project report. So it must be explanatory. It must be of 4 pages, up to 4 pages. Isn't it? 4 pages. Now, title of micro project. Now, this report is written after project is done. That's why. See, again, aim. Rational means contain importance of the project. So you have to read it. Being technical, it is needed to equip the current generation for new business tools. Okay, I'm giving you background and why I'm selecting this particular title. So you have to give your importance. After that, aim. Just I told you, you have to copy the aim from proposal and write over here. You can go for increasing aim also. Course outcomes, you have to copy from again proposal and write here. Literature review, just I told you, it is nothing but the information from where you have derived this whole information. Just I told you, you can put here screenshot of any website, you can put here screenshot of any book, any material from where you have derived it and present here. After that, actual methodology followed. So the language must be here simple past. Students, mind if you are writing report, so your step study of micro project list. So you have to write down here. First of all group members derived the micro project list from the project guide and went through the topics. So what you have to do, you have to just make here simple past everywhere. Okay. project list derived, went through, discussion was done. So in report, activity is done and you are just preparing the report. How you did this report, how you did this project, you have to write down here. Yes, work was distributed, search was, yes, this preliminary search was collection of different formats and like that. Finalization of format. So what is your important, students? In case of methodology, just do not write down only the steps. Many of the students just write down the steps. That is insufficient one. So you have to elaborate. You have to explain what work you did there under this step. So that is your important. And because of that explanation, your project report is going to become your 3-4 pages report. Otherwise, it will be of only 1 or 2 pages. That is not sufficient. Sometimes you may lose your marks only because of having pages. That is, it is very minimum pages. Okay. Then listing the stationery. Again, you have to write down all the steps that you have already mentioned it in the proposal. And you have to again explain it. Well explain it. Yes, explanation and preparation. Everyone did good preparation on their brochures, which was needed for Viva. Okay. Actual resources used. So write down here, it may vary from the proposal. Actual resources given into the proposal and given it into the here report. This is output of micro project where you can paste here drawing, yes, photographs, whatever you want. Slideshow also you can put here. And skills developed. See students, I have here written each and every skill. So you must have minute attention towards writing of the skill developed. Learning out of this micro project. Very minute thing also you have to cover up in this skill. After that, applications of this micro project. This project can be useful to us as per the following way. If I will start my business without brochure, I cannot. Yes. So you can go for application of this micro project. Yes, I can have my own printing press where I can prepare brochure and give it to the number of customers. Yes, so you can mention over here. Okay. So in this way, students, you can go through report, and I hope so that now you might have clear-cut idea how you have to write down your project. So thank you very much, students. Thanks once again.